If you made a video with viral editing, a viral thumbnail, and a viral title, and you published the video and went to sleep, and your dreams were that the video would get 1 million views, but after you woke up, you were shocked that the video got 10 views, and after that, you felt frustrated and decided to leave YouTube, I will tell you to stop, because there is a glitch in your channel. YouTube has given you a hidden ban, and this ban prevents your channel from spreading, and this ban is the shadow ban. But what are the causes of the shadow ban, and what are its solutions? First, I will talk about the causes. There are 5 causes for the shadow ban. The first cause is violating community guidelines. Do not post any sensitive content or content that contains violence. And there are other prohibited contents. And this list contains many of these contents. I will put its link in the description. Check it and be careful not to post any of them because your channel will be banned. And the second cause is writing misleading titles. Titles that have no relation to the video. Because some people write titles unrelated to the video to attract more views. And this is prohibited on YouTube. Also, some people add a very large amount of keywords and hashtags in the description to increase views. And this is very wrong because if YouTube discovers this, it will ban your channel. So be careful, review all your videos, and remove misleading titles, keywords, and hashtags. Use a few keywords and hashtags and make a title that tells about your video because we don't want to violate YouTube's rules. And the third cause is buying subscribers or sub for sub. And please, I don't want anyone to write this comment. You understand? Please don't write. Also, posting videos in Telegram groups, Facebook, or any other place. This is very wrong. First, because this viewer is not loyal to you. They will subscribe and won't watch any other video. So what's the benefit of it? So don't do this thing. And the fourth cause is changing the channel's content. If your channel's content is gaming and you change the content to cooking content, in this way, YouTube will suggest the cooking video with the new content to your previous audience, the gaming audience. And your audience will not watch the video because they are interested in gaming content. They subscribe to you because of your previous content. So YouTube will understand this thing wrongly. It will expect that the video is bad or there is something that viewers don't like to see. And in this way, it will give you a hidden ban. And the fifth cause is stopping posting for a while. This thing is very dangerous because it destroys the channel. YouTube thinks that the channel owner has stopped posting because they are no longer interested in YouTube, so YouTube gives you a hidden ban. This matter is very serious, so be careful. After we learned the causes, now I will give you the shadow ban solutions. The first solution for the shadow ban is improving the click-through rate so that your video appears in suggestions. And first, we need a title with very low competition so that there is a chance for your channel, which has a hidden ban, to appear. And to get a title with very low competition, we need to use the vidIQ tool. Its link is in the description. Enter the tool and go to this place, keywords, and this list will appear to you. Write titles here, try many titles, and any title with low competition, use it. But how do you know if the title has low competition? Simply, in this place, the larger the number, the better the title. And this option, the smaller the number, the more excellent the title is. After you get a suitable title like this, use it in your video, and in this way, there will be a great chance for your channel, which has a hidden ban, to appear. But you also need a viral thumbnail. If you want me to make a video about it, write in the comments. And the second solution is consistency in posting. I want you to make a posting schedule and stick to it. For example, let the schedule be 1 video every 4 days. If you stick to this schedule for at least a month, I guarantee you that your channel will get out of the shadow ban and it will be stronger than before. And the third solution is interacting with your audience. Reply to comments, post posts. You must interact with the viewers because when the algorithms see that there is interaction on the channel, they will know that this channel is active and then they will remove the hidden ban from your channel. And the fourth solution is increasing watch time. We want the viewer to watch the whole video because when the viewer enters the video and leaves quickly, this will give a bad warning to YouTube, and we don't want this thing at all. Instead, we want the viewer to watch the whole video because when the viewer completes watching the video, this will give a good signal to YouTube. Consequently, the algorithms will remove the hidden ban from your channel, so focus on the quality of your videos. There are 5 settings. If you haven't activated them, it's very hard for YouTube to remove the shadow ban from your channel. Therefore, watch this video. It has the settings.